I've been wanting to game with a gaming keyboard. I have a nice Corsair one at the moment, but to me it's just a typing keyboard, so I wanted something more specialized. So I picked up this Redragon mechanical gaming keyboard. As you can see, it only has the keys on it that are used for gaming. There's your WASD right here. There's your space bar and all the common keys, F, G, T, R, your number keys up there. You have specialized keys over here, like macros. At the top, you have some gaming keys for macros and those sort of things. You have the wrist rest down here, which is removable with a magnet. That's nice. You can use it without it, or connect it how I like it, and it supports your wrist. So it comes with the new style USB-C port right there. It also has a USB pass-through if you want to plug something else in. So that means it's a detachable USB-C cable. You're seeing that nowadays with some of the newer keyboards. Makes it more portable if you want to take it with you anywhere. Came with some key pullers and also a switch puller. You can remove the keys, keycaps, and also the switches underneath in case any of the switches ever mess up. Came with some extra switches in here, and these are blue switches, so you can hear they're pretty loud and snappy. You can replace them if you want with other ones since it has removable switches. So if you wanted to, you can make them brown, black, reds, whatever you want to add to it. It's up to you. So that's a first look at this, what it looks like, how it sounds. Feels really solid. I'm excited to try it out.
It's a good little game controller. Just give it a chance. You know, it's just slightly different than your regular keyboard, but it's better because the keys are more durable. A little bit rugged against demolition of a game. So I don't know. Try it.
Very impressive.